Hey everybody, welcome back to the beach. I'm finally back to the beach because I have not been in about 3 weeks. I was on vacation and just decided to give everything a break because it's been, honestly, if you watch everybody else's channel, it's been bad, man. It's been hard hunting. This summer's been rough for everybody. So, whatever, it is what it is. Unfortunately, I deleted probably 50 videos this year because the hunts weren't that great. And I shouldn't have done that because no one else found anything either, so why not? If you don't post, unfortunately, with YouTube, you get thrown to the bottom of the pile. So, we're gonna go out here and hunt. It's high tide. Worst thing you could do is high tide, I guess. And there's a hurricane that's getting ready to make its turn to the south and head through here. So this is an angry ocean. Wait till tomorrow. Definitely going to come back just so I can video how rough it's going to be. They're saying 10-15 foot waves. This right here is 3 to 4 maybe at best. So we got out here, give it a hunt, see what we can find. And if we don't find anything, we're still going to upload the video. Why? Because you got to create content. You got to keep putting content out or you get left behind in the dust. That being said, let's get on to the hunt. There's hope. Surface fine. Take that off the beach. And everybody goes, oh, you gotta go hunting after the storm. Oh, you have to go hunting after the storm. Let me tell you what, guys. Done it. Been there, done it. Got all those t-shirts. Stuff's not there, it's just not there. But we will give it a go. I tell you what, I've had some banger videos where I found some giant gold. I think my #1 video was hunting one day after the hurricane blew over my house. Pretty much. And that's just weird. 48, 49. Where are you? There, it's super loud but super small. And I saw it's just some junk. Yeah, rivet or something. Rivet. Yeah. So we'll see. I am going to hit the hurricanes though. I don't want any hurricanes, but if there are hurricanes, I will be out in it, bringing you video content. Try not to get washed away. All right. Oh, at least there's some garbage. All right, let's keep going. All right. Faint 4 to 6. What is that? Herring. There. Rose gold or copper. Alright, cool. We got jewelry. Not moving real fast. Just try to go and stay out here as long as I can. My foot's killing me. My left foot and my right one now. You gotta have feet to do this gig. For sure. Ooh. Did you get knocked out of your hole, buddy? Alright. They're normally not out during the day. So he knows something's up. Alright, let's keep going. Yeah, this tide's coming up, man. They're getting ready to lose all their chairs. $14.15. I see it. It's an earring. There we go. Oops, sorry guys, I had the camera up. Well, there you go. Little earring. Yep. and an EMI making truck. He's trying to save his chairs. Guess he just figured it out. Oh, there we go. 4146. I see something down there. A little tag off the jewelry or something. What does that say? Time TRU or something like that. Whoopie's joy. I love it when I get comments that like, go rinse it in the water, you're wasting too much time. Pro tip. One, I don't need any pro tips. And two, I've lost enough good stuff to know washing in the water is not always the best way to go when you're down in the wet. So, pro tip back to you. Anyhow. Alright, well, we're just going to keep going. I'm not finding anything gratuitous mermaid shot. Why not? Tomorrow is when it's really going to get crazy out here. So that storm will be running up this way. A little closer. You're supposed to gain speed, I think, or something. I don't know. It's hurricane season. Oh, look at that. Just ran that over. Boy, that would have went someone's foot. Sputting it. Wow. That could have hurt. This one doesn't fold like most of them for some reason. Oh well. It's getting folded now. Boop. These are expensive weights. Lead weights. This is a brand new one. Alright, in the pouch. Das Sputnik. Oh, that was German and Russian. Never mind. It's so bad, I'm just going to leave the camera up. As well. Better to see people than me just swinging along hitting the ground. Alright, I'll put it down. Oh. 62? Probably a penny. Looks like a penny. Sounds like a penny. Numbers say it's a penny. It's a penny. Alright. Alright, well that rang up really weird. I thought it was iron. But it is a earbud. Earbud. Add that to my collection. Huh. Alright. Barely read it at all, and then it's like I put it over to all metal and it rang up. So, got an earbud. Got that going for us. I think it's gonna be one of those days. That was ringing up really small. Wouldn't it be nice if that was real? Corrosion on the back, but it's gonna be one of those days where the beach has been gone over already, but people are not picking, they're not grabbing those targets that are so small they keep going through the scoop. That one was a 5-minute process. Just sounding right. So I kept looking for it. Alright. 5 to 17-ish. How did it go? Say anything about losing stuff fast? Guarantee you. I didn't miss it. Where'd it go? Oh, ha! There it is. Ready to fall through. Look at that. Got me an earring. Special. Told you it's earring day. Stuff that goes through everybody's scoop, they're just leaving it behind. Run and gun, baby, run and gun. Alright, let's go. Tulip shell, surface fine, perfect condition. Look at that, no shells stuck inside it. Yeah, that one's purty. Kiddo like that. Yeah. Where's the gold? Well, I found Nemo. That's gotta count for something, right? Alright, well, try this high tide action here. See what we can find. Way high tide. Surfers are loving this, man. Holy mackerel. Tomorrow it's going to be blowing out, so they know today's probably the only day they're going to get. Tomorrow, Tuesday and Wednesday. I mean, it's a solid 6 foot out there. Head high. And tomorrow is going to be ginormous. This active cut. This craziness. And you do find good stuff when it's like this and there's huge cuts being formed. As long as you're out there while it's happening. If you're not there when it's happening, a lot of times it's gone. Look at that. That water running out. Coming up over the bank. Cutting out over 1.5 foot sand. You know we have to check it out. Just because. Probably won't find anything, but can't walk past, be a metal detector this and walk by a cut like this and not try it at least. Even though I'm going the wrong way. Wasn't planning on getting no feet wet today, but look at that swirling madness. Dropping the gold, said no one. Very cool action though, huh? How do cuts form? Oh, here you go. Fortunately, there's no gold in this cut. So them fellas in California are waiting for wintertime and then big storms come and the bulldozers push everything up on the beach. Storms come and start taking off material little by little. And that's when they find all their gold. Because it got bulldozed. It sank. The bulldozers found it. Push it up on the beach. Waves take out the material, and that's when they find their stuff. Crazy how physics works, huh? Alright, well I guess we'll check the tide pool as long as we don't sink too bad. Walk around in here, stumbling around. 22, 23, some jungle left. Oh look, I shaked it out for you guys. Oh, there it is. Ah, it's one of those Lord's Prayer rings. That's cool. That's cool to find those. Yeah, give that to somebody. I don't need any more rings. Not. Alright. 27. 33. Pull tab city. Pull tab spell. Wait till tomorrow, guys. You're really gonna like it. Okay, I'll take a nickel. 2 nickels today. Tomorrow's gonna be crazy. The waves are gonna be giant. Ginormous. Good thing is, this is only soft sand. Easier to hunt. A third of what it was last time I was here. Bad thing is it's easier to hunt. Crazy how that works, huh? All we can do is turn the machine up and walk the towel line. It's getting bigger out there. Way bigger. What's funny is my buddy sent me a video. He's down in the Keys doing lobstering. It's glass. Looks like a lake. So I know South Beach right now is glass. Also, because the Bahamas block all that nonsense. You want to rev it, maybe? All these little earrings and stuff so much easier to find when it's nighttime and you got the super light on. Because this is almost impossible. Nice to know it's so small it's going to fall through. Split shot. Nope. Bald head. Alright, I'm not giving up yet. Alrighty. Got a 21. I see it. Is it real? Ooh, that's heavy. Looks real. That's why it's a 21. Right there. Not sure what's on it. M. M for money. M for mummy. Oh, it's a nice size chain, actually. It's got the little thingy thing there. Can't read it. It says something down there. Can't read it. Alright, cool. Got a chain. Some gold, maybe. That thing makes it better. If it's real. Won't know until I get home. I can't read it. I don't have my goggles. My googles. My good ones. My loop. Hello, birdies. What are you doing? You guys guiding me to the goal? No. Solid 11. See what it is. I see something down there. Do we got a boop? You kidding me? We got a boop. Guys, I haven't had a boop in a while. Boop. Ah, 2-ring day. That's solid 11 tungsten for sure. Alright, look. Get me a ring. Ring-a-ding-ding. That's a heavy. So, we're just going to continue this path. Halfway up, halfway down. $8 to $14. Could be something good. Really making me want to come back out tomorrow when the waves really start cranking up. Bring the big scoop, Hadoop. Shallow, so means it got pulled down probably from up here. Uh-oh. We're finding jewelry. Look at that. It's fake, but finding jewelry. We got a video, boys! Someone bust out the Bud Light! Alright, let's keep going. Oh, on the same line. About halfway-ish. Alright, let's just keep going. Alright, 42. 40s to 50s. Could be silver. Could just be junk. Definitely found the line though, ish. No, that's garbage, whatever it is. I see it. Fake jewelry. Some more jewelry though, I think. Yeah, earring. Stud. Get this away, it's trying to fall off my finger already. Yeah, alright, man, we're finding stuff. Probably all getting pulled down. All right, let's just keep looking. Good number here, 9. 5 to 9. Gotta be some, if there's like these heavy rings, there's a good chance we'll find us some GOLD. Possibly. See, yeah, I'm not rinsing it out, people, so stop sending me stupid messages. Ha, guess what I found? That's hilarious. The other earring. 2 jinkers. Getting good at this whole Twinkie thing. Playing quite a few sets this year. Alright, let's just keep going. It was about the same longitude and latitude. The other stuff. Alright. 38-ish. Kind of a junk target, I think. I'm gonna dig it anyways. I haven't had anything in a minute. Hey, a penny or something? It's getting better sounding. It's still only like a 49, which could still be gold or silver. That's playing the I want to sink game. Kill myself for a penny. Let's see. Might have got it. No, kill myself for an earring. There we go. Big old heavy copper jobber probably, or maybe silver, I don't know. Cool. Deep. Hey, give me back my machine. Alright, cool. There's stuff here. Oh, this has got to be, yeah, I must have been right. High tides, look at it. Everything's right in here, seems like. Alright, keep going. I barely heard that one. Super loud. Dime maybe, 70s, 80s. On top, too. Penny? Dime? I'm happy, man. I got a boop, even though it's a penny. Penny! Penny! A Lincoln! Stinking Lincoln! It's okay. Finding targets every 50, 60 feet or so. Whoop, there's no one. Another penny, probably 60, 70s. Where's the water when you need it? Oh, like I'm making that one guy happy. I've done this before and had a gold chain slide out. And then it was every man for himself to go find that sucker. But when you ring up like pennies, you don't have a problem doing this. Because yes, it may save time, but you may also lose something very precious. Coin line I was telling you about, I haven't found. Found it. Same spot. It's just where things are settling. Gotta dig it. Been so devoid of targets, good coins and stuff, loud targets. This one's super loud, and that's gonna be a penny. Nice if it was a class ring, but it's just a penny. That's alright. We don't mind. We dig them all the time. Alright. Stay on our stained line-ish. About halfway. Come back out here tomorrow when the waves are double the size and see what it's doing. Because they're building right now. They've gone from 6 to about easy 8 foot. I don't know, you guys can't see that, right? They're a solid 8 foot now. So we'll just keep going. 42, 46. Might be a good one. Might be some skilver. 44, that's a silver number for sure. And I got whatever it is. Pick it all up. Gotta be careful when I do my kick because I'll bust my toe. Solid 48. Didn't look at the screen. Lead sinker. Looks exactly like that on the screen. That kind of oval. That's a good time. Signs are here. Must hunt wet. This one's ringing up all over the place. 60s to 90s, so probably penny or something. Something super deep. Now it's ringing up like a dime, 76. Should have it. Silver and cool. Oh yeah, swamp slush. Oh, that was a deep dime. Super deep. Some more of that sand moving. Getting weird half signals. Huh. Nope. Alright, let's keep going. Oh, we're almost done. Sun's going down. I'm not doing a night hunt, so it's just kind of making my way back. Coast Guard. Sure, they're going to be busy the next couple days. The swell is so big, it's deceiving. What the tide is. 1 second it looks like a low tide, next second it looks like a high tide. I don't know. Just cruising around slow. Beach is packed. Everybody's wanting to see the waves. A bunch of people out surfing. And one cool thing was, met someone, came up, said, "Are you making videos?" Oh, yeah. She goes, "I make videos too." I'm like, "Oh, really? What kind of videos do you make?" She said, "OF." I could not for the life of me put it together. OF. I think I'm getting old. Then it clicked after I walked away. I was like, oh, OnlyFans or something like that. I was like, oh, gotcha. Whatever, pays the bills. OnlyFans. Okay. Never know who you're going to meet on the beach. It's dead quiet over here on this side. Pennies on their side at least. See, it looks like a low tide, and then a big swell comes in. It looks like high tide, so I don't know. I don't know what I'm hunting. Thought there was enough jewelry down on the other side, way on the other side, where all the parking's at, that will validate coming back out tomorrow, maybe, and just hitting the wet only. Coming out of tide. Anyhow, all right. Well, we got 100 more yards to go. 29. 28, 29. Super deep. Super deep. Chinesium. Alright, I gotta see what it is now. It's reading all over the place. Get it before it goes to frickin' China. Probably just be a penny or something. Can't do my patented kick maneuver. Yeah, just a penny. Super deep. Oh no, it's not a penny. Earring. There. Earring. Junker. Alright, cool. Yeah, another one of them crazy signals. Super deeps. Probably the other one. It sounds just like it. And mind you, this was all dry last week or last couple of weeks. Ringing up just like it. I don't know. Felt something. Hit something down there. Not a cell phone.
Have you found anything good?
Nothing good yet. That's still down there. Maybe it's a cell phone. Some kind of electronics. Oh, I saw it. Stupid bottle. Ha! Uh-huh. Land shark. And there is the home of the land shark right there. Screw cap. I hope that was lemonade inside there. Toxic lemonade. Yeah. Good thing I didn't break it. Made a mess. Alright, keep going. Almost out of here. Alright. We're done. Stick a fork in me. Ugh. Come back out here tomorrow when the waves pick up. See what the sand's done, moved around a little bit. Really don't want to walk through any more of this dry sand. Even though we found a necklace. Man, it's just painful. And there's got to be a better way to make YouTube videos. But if I didn't do this, I wouldn't get my exercise. So I need my exercise, that's for sure. It just sucks that I'm in constant pain. I was dealing with the left heel, but then smashed my toe. Sorry, there's a loud piece of something down there. Smashed my toe on my right foot, and man, tell you what, even a week and a half later or whatever, it still hurts. And on top of it, I gotta work every day. I don't get no breaks. You know what? Not complaining, just telling you the situation. So it seems like I'm moving slow. It's because I'm moving slow. Oh yeah. Alright. Goodbye, beach. See you hasta mañana. And to all you guys, if you stuck it out, thank you so much. Like, subscribe, share the videos. All that good stuff. And we'll just keep on hunting as long as we can. I guess tell them on crutches or something, I guess. I don't know. Anyhow, we are out of here. And I'll see you on next hunt. Peace.